is a Revit 2020 office. Different so projects will be there. Families. So do you know between a model and a family? Yeah. No, no. It's not like that. Okay, so I will tell you something about this one extensions. There is RVT, one extension is there. Okay, that is called as project extension. Whenever you save a project, it will be saved under as RVT. Okay, and for families, it will be .rfa. Families is nothing but the families which you place in your project. The things, items or elements which are used to produce 3D model like AHU, FCU. You know AHU, right? Air handling unit in HVAC, and water closet, that is a wash basin. That is, and that is a family which we use in our project, that we place in our like as a 3D model in our project. Okay, so that is called as families. Templates as is nothing but there are different types of templates. Like here it is there. Here, there one option is there. You can see my cursor, right? You can see my cursor. Hello. Yeah. So this is nothing but models. Here you can, from this option you can open an existing model. See, if you are working in a group, okay, there are 10 members in your team and you are working in a group that, through work sharing. Work sharing is an option that I will explain in that course. Okay. So through that it is like a chain in which you can work partially, like part by part. Like different member can work on different part. Like if there are 10 floors, so you are working on first floor and your another colleague is working on second floor and another colleague is working on third floor. Okay. So when you sync that model, no, so everything will come in one model, that will combine in one model, and you can also see the changes in your desktop. And that guy also see the changes. Like you are working on first floor, now what we have worked, he can see that work. What he has worked on second floor, you can see that work after syncing the file. Okay, that is nothing but ongoing project. So if you want to make a new project, you got any new work, new project, okay, so you go from here. It's like your option is the new. So you from here you go to, and template will be there. There are different type of templates you can see here. Going to browse. So you have to choose between two families. There will be one will be metric and another will be imperial. Metric is nothing but whenever you are working on unit projects. You know about right? Centimeter, metric, right? So some country follows metric, this one unit version, and some countries follow imperial. Imperial, you know about imperial? What is imperial? Ah, yes, it's inches and feet. It will be in inches and feet. So, so the different templates is like, if you use metric means everything will be in mm. If you use imperial means everything will be inch or feet. Okay. So mostly we follow metric. So here are different type of templates. Templates is nothing but predefined package will be there. It's like you in different families. Like if there is a mechanical family, you have predefined settings in that template. So you don't have to make any another settings related to that. Okay. So if you take a template, you can directly work on that template. You have ducts in that. If I take an example for mechanical, so in mechanical, what you have is ducts will be there. Different type of ducts will be there: oval, round, rectangular. That families will be pre installed in that template, like that. It will be a package for HVAC. For plumbing, if you go for mechanical, you will find plumbing. Yes, it will. Yeah, it will be in software only. If you have software, right? Revit 2020. You have need to install that software. Okay, you can download it a crack version also. You don't have to like buy anything with that. You can also download a student version also. That depends on you. I don't tell you to go to for crack version. That really depends on you. That's your choice. Okay, that's a personal choice. If you want to take that this one student version, you can take that. Yeah, 2020 only. You need, yeah, 2020. Yeah. It will be same like 2020 don't have any much changes. It's like just interferences has changed. So most of the currently most of the companies are following 2020 and 2022. Okay, most of the families have not gone for because most of the clients don't have the higher version. Okay, that's why most of them follow 2020 and 2022. So I have like particularly I have choose this 2020 because most of the common version is 2020. That's why, and it is similar to 21, 22, 23. Like in 23, there will be some of dot changes. That's it. Not much more changes. Like okay. So for if you choose mechanical template and further you go for like if you want to take anything like plumbing pictures you want to place. So you can't place like you can't find pictures in mechanical template because in that package only mechanical thing will be installed in that like particular template. So if you want to go like place on plumbing picture, so you need to load a family from outside. There will be another folder. So from there we have to load the families. Okay. So that's the difference between templates, different type of templates. Okay. And okay, this is what is interference it is looks like, and this one is families. Like I said, families new open. You can also open existing family and modify that families. Okay, from open. And if you want to make a new family by your own, you can make it through this one. Here are some generic templates for that also. Here this one is templates. Okay, Revit family templates. You can take any template and make any family by your wish. Like if you are in like there you have any another in as an example you have any AHU of a size which you don't find in like in your Revit families default families. You have to make that like size like 100 by 100 AHU. You want to make a new one, so you can make it from here like that. Okay. And another that we will see something about the genders. I will show you one. This one template. I will open one template to show you basic thing. Okay. I will not uh, elaborate this one. This our meeting. It will be. I will take a default metric systems. Okay. I will take one system's default metric. Okay. And you have to go for open and okay. If you want to join the course means you need to have a laptop. Please install a Microsoft Teams in your laptop. It will be very feasible for you to understand the concepts. Okay. If you like use your mobile means it will be very difficult for you to understand. See because there are that's all that interface is little big, so you won't be able to easily understand where I am clicking, what I am clicking in your mobile. Okay, that's why. Okay, so this is what called as okay. Still loading. So this is called as menu bar. Okay, and this one are called as toolbar. This all. Okay. Then this one is called as option bar. There will be options here. I will show you that also. Okay. So this is a not a Nova scope. Architecture tab, structure tab, steel tab. Okay. So directly we will go to systems. Okay. So these are our tools. See ducts, duct fittings, duct accessories, flex duct, air terminals, then mechanical equipments. Till here it will be HPC. Okay. From here plumbing. thing will start. It is pipe. Okay, this one is pipe, pipe fittings, pipe accessories, flex pipe, plumbing features, and then this one is sprinklers that comes under FPS. Okay, and from here this is an electrical things. Okay, that is cable tray, conduits, cable tray fitting, conduit fitting, electrical equipment. These are devices. These are lighting features. Lighting features are nothing but LED lights, bulbs, like whatever it will be. So this is something called as component. Whenever you load a family from outside, you can place that family from here, like a place a component, or you can model in place also. Like directly here, you can model a family directly. Okay, so these are called as work planes. Like whenever you want to place, make any new reference plane, when you are modeling, it is required. Then you can set a plane, make a new reference plane from here. Okay, this is first tab, and this is something called as, this is an insert menu bar. Okay, so these are tools. So these are something tools which we initially use in our project. Like whenever you want to import a CAD file, there will be an AutoCAD file in which the design engineer gives you to do a modeling, like with bottom of duct, bottom of pipe, bottom of cable tray. Okay, like that they will give you one file. Some companies they will design directly in Revit only. In some companies they have designed like that design in HTC design engineer will draft, keep a drafted 2D file, AutoCAD file. So they will give you that file. From there you have to import the file from here and attach a file here. Like in grid wise we will align that file, that I will show you in this one course. Okay, so here with Revit, link Revit is nothing but whenever you are working on a MEP project, see, for HVAC this will be a separate file, electrical separate file, plumbing separate file, and FPS separate file. You won't combine all these four features in one file, because you need to, because that file will be heavy. Okay, and during class coordination it will be very helpful. And most of the clients they they demand for different services for different file. Okay, so basically you will use this tool to link all the other files. Like when you are starting a project, you need architectural file and structural file link initially to start any of the modeling. That will be any kind of modeling, that HC, plumbing, electrical, FPS. Okay, for reference of column and beam. And where are the walls, there are the cutouts, there will be some cutouts, like if there are any given by architect, like that. Okay, then, this tab is used for annotation purpose. That sheets, when you generate any sheet, in there you have to give dimensions and what the detailing, what is required in sheets. Okay, and then this is not in our scope. It doesn't come like, basically this is for heat load calculation on. Basically they don't use Revit software for heat load calculation. Okay, so mass and setting is not in our scope. It is for architectural. Okay, so collaborate. Like I was telling you about this one, syncing that file in one file. So this is that option which is used to make the file central, and from central we have to save that file in one space, like location will be there in server. So there you will save that file. From this option is then a synchronize with central. You will, whatever the work you will be doing, you will be syncing that file with that central model. Like everybody will sync that model in that sync that model with that central file. So this is one of the tool which is used in that. Okay, and after that it is view. So here there are something which I will show you. This is a little bit detail thing. So it requires the initial knowledge for Revit, whatever it will be. Then only you will understand these things. Okay, and after that manage. So here are something managed tab in this. If there are any parameters, like whenever you start a project, you have one reference file for that. Like your senior engineer will give you, like a beam coordinator or beam manager will give you one file. From there you have to transfer all the details, like pipe type and any like things, pipe types or systems, pipe piping systems, ducting system, duct types. So you can transfer that that type from here, transfer project standard. Okay, and there will be some shared parameters also. You can make a shared parameters from here, like that. These are something, these are the some tools which is used in that project only. Okay, so this is something if you don't have in your Revit thing, because I have added this thing externally, so we will not see this one. And after that we will go to modify. So in modify, these are the drafting like tools. These are the main tools which is used. Okay, so this is something called as align, offset, mirror, and split, pin, and move, copy, rotate. Have you worked on AutoCAD, right? So you know about these tools. You will be knowing about these tools, right? So it will be this in Revit. As compared to AutoCAD, Revit is much easier than AutoCAD. Okay, for this copying, moving, aligning, it is very easy for the 3D modeling. Okay, so this is what menu bar and toolbar is, and this is called as property tab, property panel, property tab, whatever you can call it, and this is project browser. In properties, if there is any duct, you have drawn a text, and you will select a duct from here like this. I will draw and show you. See here one there was one thing. Here you can see one this one. Here, this is called as option bar. Initially it was not there, right? Now it has been popped up, because when you are doing something, when you are modeling something, then only this option will get activates. Okay. So now I will model this one. Okay. Okay. So this is single duct. Now I'm clicking on this duct. Okay. So after clicking, what will happen? Here some you can see something that is called as detailing of the details, like duct details. Whatever the duct is consisting of, you will get all the details in this property panel. Okay, like this center, like how it is justified horizontally, how it is justified vertically. Okay, and from which reference level you are taking, and what is the top elevation, what is the middle elevation, what is the bottom elevation. Okay, and then what is the width and height of this duct and length of this duct, and what kind of specific system classification you are taking, what type of system type you are taking. Now in system type there are many different types of ducting. Okay, here only three types of ducts are, like this one is showing. In practical, like when you are going modeling, so you have to create different types of this one system types. In supplier also there are two to three types, like for only for fresh air also, like the example if I tell you, there is a supplier. This is for there are two types, like one is cooling, like HVC is part of combination of four things. First one is heating. Okay, second one is cooling, and third one is ventilation. Okay, and another is refrigeration. Refrigeration is it is not there in that, but refrigeration is also a part of HVAC. So for heating purpose you will use some other component. For cooling purpose, that is called as conditioning, or it is also called as conditioning. Conditioning is nothing but cooling air. When you supply air in a room, you will cool that air using coils, and you will pass that air through that. That is called as conditioning. Okay. Then ventilation is something another part. In ventilation, what you will do is you will supply normal air, like the fresh air. You will apply ambient fresh air. So you have done a designing, right? You know about this one, I guess, right? Yeah. So like that for kitchen, that will be another. The different types of ducts will be there for that kitchen. For kitchen, for toilet there will be another duct like that for ventilation purpose. That will be only exhaust. That will be any only exhaust will be there in toilets. Okay, like that different types of ducts will be there. So you can create that also here. So you need to specify that system type for different ducts. Okay, like you have fresh air, then this supplier changes to fresh air. You need to make one system type and change that to supply this fresh air, and apply that system type to this duct, like that. So whenever you will differentiate like in worksets or anything filters, it will be helpful for you. That's why you use system type. Okay, then after that it is not usable for us. After that we will go to here, downside, insulation and lining. You know what insulation and lining, right? What is insulation and what is lining? Insulation is nothing but a layer which is used on ducts. Lining is nothing but a lining which is used in the HC room, right? Okay, so after that, project browser. So in project browser, this will be common. These things don't change anything. Okay, it is a constant thing. This won't change anything. Only in property panel. See, now I have clicked. Now I have unclicked this one. That right? What have changed? What it have changed? See, now it is showing about a floor plan. Now you have selected this floor plan lighting. Okay, so all the detailing will be according to lighting, like the how, what is the scale and display mode detailing, discipline, what is the discipline, mechanical it is a discipline what which you have selected. Okay, sub discipline chassis. This detailing is about this plan, but plane. So one second, this one we have selected, mechanical one. So this detailing is about this pro plan mechanical one. Mechanical one is nothing but first level one. Okay, so that detailing is related to this detailing is related to this one full plan. When you click on any element, then here all the details will get changed. Now it will change. One second. So see, now this detailing, these details are showing according to the selected element. Okay, when you unselect element, it will be go on floor plan directly. So you need to have this difference. Should know this difference. Okay, when you are working. So here are ceiling plans will be there, plumbing, legends, family schedules, everything will be in this one. Whatever you create, families, all families will be here in this one. You can create like you can see whatever it is from here only. Okay. So this is a basic introduction of this one user interference and of Revit. Okay. So now we will end this meeting. It is around 1 hour. It's around 7 p.m. now. So if you feel if you want to join the batch, like you can join like on I will tell you this one when we are available. So you have any friends you want to join this course? Okay, yeah, sure, you can ask me. Okay, so we can start your batch from Monday also. So yeah, we can start on Monday 15th. Okay, so you know about the fees or like how much the fees it is there for the study? You know anything about fees? You don't know anything. Okay, so I will tell my like colleague to let you know about this. You have syllabus copy, right? Okay, so I will let him. I will tell him to update you about the fees for this training. Okay. Uh, so if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so the classes will be from Monday to Friday evening. Okay, batch will be in evening or whenever you want, like evening you are comfortable, right? So we will keep it in evening. That time will be feasible for both of us. So we can keep on that that timing. So that classes will be of 2 hours daily, one Monday to Friday. Saturday will be without clearing session, okay, for 1 hour, and Sunday will be holiday likewise, okay. So thank you so much for joining the class, Seth. Yeah, okay, bye.